Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed first exercise of the polynomials to exercise 2.1 and zeros of a polynomial. Let us once again recall zero of a polynomial. Okay, already we have seen how to find the values of the polynomial at given x values. So let us see here. Let us consider the polynomial r of t equal t minus 1. It is a polynomial in variable t. R of t equal t minus 1. T is variable. Now let us check for what value of t this polynomial becomes 0. So what is here? T minus 1. So you can say easily, if you substitute t equal to 1, what happens? That becomes 0. So substitute t equal to 1. Then r of 1 equals 1 minus 1 equal 0. So here we can say t equal 1 is 0 of polynomial r of t. Okay. So here for r of t value becomes 0 for t equal to 1. So we can say t equal 1 is 0 of the polynomial r of t. So zeros of polynomial p of x. Zeros of polynomial p of x are values of x for which p of x equal to 0. Okay. Zeros of the polynomial p of x are values of x for which p of x becomes 0. For what values of x that polynomial becomes 0, those values of x are called zeros of the polynomial. Okay. So this is the definition of zeros of polynomial. Now let us see how to find the zeros of the linear polynomial. Okay. Now let us take ax plus b is a linear polynomial. Let us take this is p of x equal to ax plus b. How to find zero of the linear polynomial? Now, so 0 means first let us take p of x equal to 0. To find the zeros of the polynomial, it is enough to solve p of x equal to 0. The solutions of p of x equal 0 are zeros of the polynomial p of x. So to find the zeros of the polynomial, take that polynomial is equal to 0. Indirect method. First I am assuming that polynomial value is 0. Then I am finding x value. So now let us find x values. What is the polynomial? Ax plus b equal to 0. Now solve for x. So to solve x, this is x term, it is constant. Transpose constant right side. Ax equal to minus b. Okay. Positive terms transposed to right side becomes negative terms. Negative terms transferred to right side becomes positive terms. So here a is multiplying. That transfers to right side, that becomes divides. So x equal to minus b by a. So what we got? X equal to minus b by a. This is 0 of p of x. Okay. So how many zeros of linear polynomial? How many zeros are exist for linear polynomial? Tell me. It is only possibility only one value. So zeros of linear polynomials is only 1. Okay. For quadratic polynomial we have 2 zeros. Okay. So zeros is depending on the degree of the polynomial. Linear polynomial degree is 1. So number of zeros of linear polynomial is 1. So zeros of quadratic degree 2. So two zeros are exist for quadratic polynomial. For cubic polynomial, what is the degree of the cubic polynomial? 3. So, how many zeros of cubic polynomial is 3? 3 zeros exist for cubic polynomial. Okay. Now, let us take another linear polynomial, x plus a. P of x plus a. What is the zero of the polynomial? What are the steps? To find the zeros of the polynomial, take P of x equal 0. That is x plus a equal to 0. That is x equal to plus a transpose right side, 0 minus a. That is minus a. X equal to minus a is the zero of the polynomial x plus a. What about x minus a polynomial? So take x minus a equal to 0. So x equal to 0 plus a. That is x equal to a. Okay. So now let us see some problems. Here, exercise 2.1. Before, try this. Find zeros of the following polynomials: 2x minus 3, x plus 5, x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is quadratic polynomial. Try to find the factors. You can get zeros of the polynomial. I will explain one problem for quadratic polynomial. So to do first one, third one. Now let us go for exercise 2.2. So what is exercise 2.2? First problem. Find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 at x equal 0, x equal minus 1, x equal to x equal 1 by 2. So exercise 2.22. First one. Find the value of the polynomial. What is given polynomial? 4x square minus 5x plus 3. So find the values of the polynomial at x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 1 by 2. Now I will explain you for x equal to minus 1. So find polynomial of p of x at x equal minus 1. Means substitute x equal minus 1 in the given polynomial. Okay. So p of minus 1 equal to 4 into x square. What is x? Minus 1. Minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So that is 4 into minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. Minus into minus plus 5 ones are 5 plus 3. So that is 4 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So the value of the p of x at x equal to minus 1 is 12. Now let us find the value of p of x at x equal to 1 by 2. At x equal 1 by 2, p of 1 by 2. Replace x by 1 by 2. Wherever it is x, put 1 by 2. 4x square. 4 into 1 by 2 whole square. Minus 5x. 5 into 1 by 2. Plus 3. 4 into 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4. Minus 5 by 2. Plus 3. Here 4 4 get cancelled. What is the LCM? Here numerator denominator 1. Here 2. Here indirect denominator 1. 1 2 1. LCM is 2. So here denominator 1. How can you get 2? By multiplying 2 for the numerator and denominator. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2. Here LCM is same. 5. Here 1. So multiply with 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. So that is, first add the positive terms. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 5, 3 by 2. Okay. Now find the first one and third one. For the second one also, For the second one, what is given? Find P of 0. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for the following polynomials. Polynomial is given. We have to find the P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of... that's all, P of 2. So I will explain one problem. P of y equal to 2 plus 2y square minus y cube. Okay? So find P of 0. How can you get P of 0? P of y. Write y value 0. So substitute y equal to 0. You can get P of 0. P of y. P of 0 equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So 2 plus 2 into 0, 0 minus 0 whole cube is 0. That is 2 plus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 2. So P of 0 value 2. Next find P of 1. P of 1, substitute y equal to 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 into 1 square 1. 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 cube is 1. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Next to P of 2. Substitute y equal to 2. That is P of y. P of 2 equal 2 plus y 2 plus 2 into y square 2 square minus y cube 2 cube. So 2 plus 2 4. 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. 4 plus 2 4s are 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 0. So we can cancel. So that is 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay. So complete the first one, second one, and I will explain you third one, fourth one, fifth tomorrow.